Okay, so today we're going to look at how we can divide two-digit numbers by one digit. So you can see here I've got a couple of examples here on my board. I've also got my times table chart, which I'm going to use to help me to divide these numbers, because knowing my times tables is really important. So we look at our first example here. We have 49, we're dividing that by 5. So I'm looking at how many times I can fit 5 into 49. So if I look first of all at my divisor here of 5, and I see how many times that can fit into the 4. Now I know that 5 is bigger than 4, so it doesn't actually fit inside it. So above the 4 I put a 0, and that tells me that I can't actually fit 5 inside 4. So now I'm looking at 49. So I'm looking at how many times I can fit 5 into 49. And I can use my times table chart to help me here. So if I find my 5 times table facts are here. And if I go along my line here of 5s, I need to find a number that is as close to 49 as I can get without going over. So along my line here, as I go across, I can see that I get to 50, which means that I've gone over 49. So the closest number along that line without going over 49 is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. So I know that 5 fits into 49, 9 times. Now I know that 5 times 9 is not 49, it's actually 45. So that means that I need to work out what my remainder is. So I'll put a little r here for remainder, and I know that for 45 I need to add 4 more on to get to 49, so that means that I have a remainder of 4. So my answer to 49 divided by 5 is 9 remainder 4. Now I'm going to repeat this same process looking at my next example here, which is 17 divided by 4. So we'll do the same thing to start with. So I look at my 4 and I see how many times it can fit into this 1. Now I know that 4 is bigger than 1, so once again I'll put a 0 here because I can't actually fit 4 inside 1. So now I'm looking at how many times I can fit 4 into 17. Once again I'll have a look at my times table chart and I find my 4s, and I'm looking across my line to see what number is closest to 17 without going over. So as I scan across, I can see that I go over once I get to 20. So the number closest to 17 without going over is 16. And I can see on my line here that 4 times 4 equals 16. So 4 fits into 17 4 times, but I know that because 4 times 4 is 16, I've got a remainder of 1, because 16 plus 1 is 17. So my answer is 4, remainder 1.